Alright guys, we out here going to Chillva Market. This is one of our favorite markets when we came to Phuket. We're gonna see some peeps here, get some food. It took us about 40 minutes to get here from Rawai, but personally I think it's worth it.
Singapore, la the ladybird. Eat.
Okay.
When eat.
Eat here?
Yeah, eat now.
Eat now?
In front of her.
Okay, okay. This is
jumping.
the jumping shrimp salad.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna do this. Look, it's still moving.
Yummy.
Thailand, you gotta try it.
Exactly. Yeah. Go, come on. Not bad, right?
Just buy it. Just buy it. Just buy it. Just buy it.
Just chew it. Just chew it.
It's good. Yeah, just keep doing it.
Yeah.
Good, right?
You can eat sushi like that. Really good.
Oh, we're jumping out.
Hurry up.
Oh. Like jumping out. You wanna try? You sure?
Come on. This is good. See?
Wow. That's fresh. It's very crispy. Oh.
Doesn't smell anything. The sugar cane.
We had sugar cane yesterday.
Be careful, your stomach.
Yeah. Mine is a soft stomach. Not like yours is strong. Toast.
This pineapple, they call galan, pula, crispy.
Is that the one like from Chiang Rai?
Yeah, that's the one you eat before.
Okay, I'm coming back for that one.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think.
Oh my god, it is?
Yeah, I have to eat it. But they say it tastes like chicken.
Hey, you want crocodile? Michelle, you want crocodile meat?
One steak, 50 baht. They make very tasty, especially.
The first time I had it was
cricket.
with a
Yeah,
chicken.
but they make like tom yum, whatever flavor you like.
Dude, your dad should have a vlog.
I know.
You just do a vlog of your dad.
He has a lot of knowledge. These ones are good, actually. They have those in America. Wow, it's moving.
Orange juice ค่ะเหรียญเฉินจื้อ Orange juice ค่ะน้ำส้มสดจ้า
Oh. Yeah.
Only 1 kilo, the whole one like 100, 220 baht.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's
When I
expensive
come
here.
from Rayong, I forgot to buy. I thought it came from here.
Oh, but it's expensive here, right? That one was 700 baht.
Yeah, only kilo.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Up here, this is
Coming up, babe. Coming up.
Here's the rib place.
I think it's up there. I'm not sure. I think up there a little bit more. Busy, busy.
I like the spring fresh.
Okay.
ขายยังไงเนี่ย What do you like?
What did we get? The grilled pork rib, right?
ที่ร่ำรวยนะคะราคาหนึ่ง
Yeah. One gram is 200 baht. Some of them 100 baht. They go by weight.
นี่นะติ่ง
So I just want one piece. You
More,
want one?
more. I don't want.
You don't want
อัน
any?
นี้เหลือค่ะ อันนี้ไก่
Okay.
Probably grilled pork ribs.
Like 5 pieces. Look
So,
at that.
well, 5 pieces.
เอาประมาณกี่ซีค่ะสองสามซีค่ะห้าซีนะคะ
หวานมากไหม
หวานนิดนึงค่ะไม่ใช่หวานเยอะค่ะนี่ค่ะน้ำพริกแก้วค่ะ
เนี่ยอันนี้เท่าไหร่
260ค่ะ
260โอเคได้
เดี๋ยวนะ
We
คะ
got it, we got it. It's okay. So, how much is it?
It's 250
250.
That's your rib right there.
Yeah. Yeah, let's try
ชิม
some.
ได้ไหม
Cheap is to try. It's like more salty. I was expecting sweet. I think.
Okay.
I definitely want to
One
come
night,
back and get
make
fruit.
them back.
Oh man. I wonder how all these people don't have stomach issues.
You don't want to get sick. Don't try to overeat. Just
Yeah.
like, don't not
Just
too
like
full.
enough.
Yeah, eat full is going to have problem. Because soup.
Oh, Thailand, they sell everything, all the little stuff. Before, I was like, I loved to buy it, but now I'm like, not really into it. Should we get the pineapple now?
A body like this.
Oh, yeah. People go crazy for all this. Coconut milk jelly. You want to share one?
มีชิมได้ไหม
ชิมไม่ได้
หวานไปไหมหวานมากไหม
ไม่มากค่ะ
ราคาเท่าไหร่
เป็นละ20จ้ะ
120โอเคเอาถ้วยก่อนแล้วแอปดีมา20 บาท
I got it.
Try first if good we come back
Yes.
You got it?
10?
Yeah. 5 and 5
5 and 5.
10 20 20 บาทครับ
20 บาท ขอบคุณค่ะ Jamming. Yeah, let's get
ตัวละ120
120เนาะโอเค
ตัว
เอา
ไหนเลื
เอา
อกได้
ตัว
เลย
which one you can choose
the one with the most
อัน
meat.
ไหนสดนะ
สดทุกตัว
ฮะ
สดทุกตัว
สดทุกตัว
ใช่ใช่มาเป็นมา
เอานี่เลย
โอเคยกเลยไว้ชื่อถ้าถามว่าตัวไหนใหญ่กว่าเพื่อนเรา
ครับเอาให้คนเล็กกัน
I got it. If it's good, then I'll buy it for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can put เก็บตรงนี้ได้ไหม
อะไรนะ
เก็บตรงนี้ได้นะไม่ต้องใส่ตัวเย็น
ไม่ต้องใส่เย็นก็ได้ แต่มันอาจจะไม่กรอบเหมือนตอนกินเลยนะ
โอเค
ใช่
ครับ
จะไม่ให้กรอบ
You don't have to
Don't have
you
to
can keep
microwave.
tomorrow okay but it's not as crispy as today today is crispy น้ำจิ้มมีไหมกินเลย everything ใช้กล้วยอ่ะอันนี้อร่อย I like this
Ooh. You want to get it now?
I gotta watch
Self-control. Self-control. So the cool thing is you tap it 3 times
yeah
and it comes on you.
wow that's
Then you
cool.
tap your face and it tracks your face. So
Oh.
it can go anywhere
Crazy.
and it can see you.
It's still going.
Yeah. We are checking out of our Airbnb today. It was a great stay in Rawai. I highly recommend if you're here with your family. Great places to walk around at night, to go to a local market. I had a great stay here. I think the rooms are so big. We stayed here with both of our moms, my little sister, and we had incoming friends.